Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome here at APL and TL Christmas Party 2025.
Merry Christmas, APL and Twin Lion! Merry Christmas, APL and Twin Lion!
Alam po naman natin na medyo mahirap po ang sitwasyon. Yet, naisipan po ni EPL and Twin Lion na ma-experience po natin yung Global Christmas Party.
Moving just to survive. All that I wanted was to start again. Stumbling through the crowd.
Maraming salamat po sa mga biyayang pinagkakaloob, especially po sa aming mga bosses na hanggang ngayon nandyan yung suporta.
Sana po dumami pa yung kliyente namin next year para magpatuloy po ang kasiyahan sa lahat.
Tonight, we want you to experience the Christmas party around the world by celebrating EPL and Twin Lion Christmas Party. Welcome, everyone!
Wish ko po nawa marami pong client pa ang dumating sa Twin Lion and sa APL and more powers.
It's not over tonight. Stay in this moment, we can hide away.
Wish ko lang sana mahaba pa yung serbisyo ng APL at Twin Lion at para pang marami pang matulungan na katulad ng mga empleyado.
Stumbling through the crowd, feel lifting off the ground.
Merry Christmas, APL and Twin Lion family.
Thank you for being a part of APL and Twin Lion family for the longest time. Masaya kami na kayo yung kasama namin dito sa gabi na to. And hopefully sa mga susunod pa ng mga Christmas. Merry Christmas, APL and Twin Lion!
Burning to the sun, I feel love. I really wanna show you now.
Sana more client pa next year. And sana tumagal pa rin kami sa APL.